Epeza with spinach.
Bean soup with spinach.
A lot of spinach. Where are we? See, with all that plenty spinach. Even while we see that same spinach tray again, go chop.
Wow, spinach soup.
Okay. I'm gonna put the fish.
Luego más bueno.
Healthy spinach soup. So healthy. Beans and spinach. So, food is ready.
Okay. What about here?